Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 4x5 reversal film, such a huge ruby, huh? Well, when I shoot this image so close up, so much close up, the 4x5 lens is, I put it upside down to the camera. Otherwise you can't close up so much. Well, this is my subject, and I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And not much pencil drawing type image, huh? That's it about it. Well, but color-wise, it's real close up, so you can put anything, it's gonna be out of focus. Only focused on this corner, that's all. That's real exciting, huh? Well, these images, what kind of image should am I gonna create? Well, let's check this blend mode. Change to other blend mode as always. Well, lighten, real shadow colors. Well, make it something interesting. Maybe illustration type image. Overlay, pretty interesting color. Look at this, luminosity. Well, very interesting. Real shadow colors. Well, I'm gonna duplicate this layer, original color image, duplicate, then move this one to over this pencil drawing type image, and tone down to about 40, 50, just make it 50 for now, and let's see. If I change blend mode to like color burn, this luminosity effect layer goes darker. That's pretty interesting. Shadow colors going just a touch darken, huh? Like, pretty nice. Maybe I see some grains, dust when I scanned, so I'm gonna smudge these to get out of these grains. Well, almost dust, huh? Okay, let's make this image fixed. Okay, select 3 of them, then make group, then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image. Then I'm gonna smudge these grains. Smudge tool, airbrushing to medium blend. So much interesting image, and also colors. Look at these colors, so shadow, almost down for these dust grains. No, actually these are grains, these are dust, I think. Pretty much done. Look at this, so nice, so interesting. Okay, now touch up later when I see dust. Okay, now what's next? Let's see. Okay, bring this group. I'm gonna move these 3 layers out of the group, then delete this group. Now, this is the luminosity effect layer, so smooth, shadow colors. Then This is gonna be the base image, huh? Okay, I'm gonna move this one to, okay, move this one just over the original image. Then the original image, turn it off. Now I change some pencil drawing type image. Turn it off, this color burn effect. 50% half down original image. Just turn it off. Then let's see. Luminosity. Let's see pencil drawing type image. Linear burn. Color burn. Nice. A little bit darker. Well, just turn it off, this pencil drawing type image. Half tone image. Let's see. Goes a little more darker. But I like this, yeah, pencil drawing type image color burn. This saddleness is better than this original image. Rubies, too dark. I kind of like this much. Yeah. But I want a show maybe. Yeah, outside of the ruby. Jewelry is nice colors. Real saddle, nice. Make mask. Then just hide drawing to evolve. And add white layer, fill layer with white. Now make mask. Then again, reveal this white layer with same evolve. Well, I can add layer, then add same kind of pastel color over this. This is kind of interesting, isn't it? Darker color. Well, about this background, that's interesting. Totally different mood, huh? Completely different image. Pin light. This is interesting too. It's kind of interesting to show all the different, like this pin light, soft light, darken color, maybe color burn. That's kind of interesting to see all the images together, right? But this is pin light. This is pretty nice. Nice texture. Well, maybe I can keep these images each. Yeah, nice to see these colors. Kind of feels so good. Nice colors. This background color is nice too. Yeah, about soft light. Just one for keep pin light effect. Yeah, I kept pin light effect and soft light effect image. Already kept as a variation. Right now, let's see. Okay, this is the last one I saved image. And what else can I do for this original image? Pencil drawing type image, halftone image with mask, then white layer with mask. I have this original image. Well, this is nice saddle color. What I did is just make white layer with mask. Almost that much. Well, I add original color burn effect layer, half tone, added pencil drawing type image, color burn as well, and luminosity effect layer, soft light effect to lighten up. Well, that's all about it so far. Kinda interesting mask, this shape of the mask, and paint over this saddle blue. Okay, what else? I changed different blend mode to get different effect, right? Screen lighter color to get really interesting linear burn. This is such a cool background color burn, which I saved already. Yeah, that's nice. To see different blend mode effect shows different way of the image. That's such a nice, interesting images. Well, I think that's all about it for today. To find out something interesting image from different effect of the blend mode. Yeah. Well, that's about it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Like, let's see, check it out, changing blend mode of your creative image, then find out something interesting image. Yeah. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Find out different expressions, creative expressions. Yep. Thank you.